This is Rod Kusin and Spoon for Risk on November the 11th, 2016. We're looking for a short here, and we're right about ready to take that. You can see some evidence here that the market is ready to short this thing. And it looks like we're already in the short. At 61. Now we just had to look at the premium, which you don't have a lot of, but we were working not only with the premium itself, but the market profile here. 58-ish loses strength all the way into about 61, and at that point shorting it right out of the gate. And what we anticipate, now this is coming down a lot further than that. We're gonna ignore that oversold condition. We don't really have a lot of data, but the low of the morning was down to 51.25. So the market was short out of the gate, but it ran up a little higher than we expected it to. At first we were thinking it probably would short it around 58, but kept on going. So we're short, and there's a nice volume. This will probably bounce at around 56. So we're going to take some of our position off the table there. At 56.50, but we really expected to take that to come all the way down to 51. Okay, there's 56.50. It dropped through there. We got filled, and we're still holding some contracts at 61. Bouncing up a bit. And the premium moved up quite a bit there. But it's already dropping below that threshold, which we kind of expected. So we're not going to be too concerned about that. That's messing with us. Yeah. 55, 50. $55.25, yeah, it's messing with us a bit. It looks like it's going to move up. But this is a real, if you're not in the short already, this is going to give you a very good opportunity to get short, because you get a nice naked bar down there at negative 451. And we can anticipate that the market will just turn right around and go back down. Now you don't want to short it yet either, ourselves a little bit more dimension here. Well, that may have just been a normally we would expect this to go up a bit more, but it looks like it's reacting fairly quickly, so really needed to get into the short even before it tests that level according to the premium. Yeah, just jump into that short right in here, because it looks to me like what will happen here is it'll come down, test this level, and if we don't get lower, it'll go back up. So we came down to 55, 55.25. Well, now it's going back up. $55 is the target, so you might get another opportunity at 55, 58.25. Just depends on what happens here. I think what we're going to do is we're going to get into the short again, move up to 58. That would be a good time. Looks like we're divergent there. Good. Good, we're in again. See, you okay, she's moved up to 59. That's a good place as well. We didn't get in any more there. And that shows a nice overbought condition on the premium right there. But we got in at 58. It's she's coming down yet. I can see evidence for a rally off of this low. All right. It's taking us all the way back up. That's a little bit surprising. But you still want to short this. Do not be misled. We'll take it at 59.75. We'll even take it at 60 and a quarter, or 67, I should say. You get all those numbers look a little different than they really are. Yeah, this is okay. 60, 75. We're in 6. We're back to 61. I'm surprised. I'm surprised. All right, we're averaging in again. I don't care. This is going down. This is going down. Now, this could go up to 60.5, as much as I can tell here. What you would expect is it will not like 61.75, and at about that point, you'll be at around 761 on the YM, potentially. You know, you really didn't have much to work with here on the premium. There was nothing really suggested that this market was going to rally back up. So down we go again. So we're shorting this, and you see how the premium is also dropped off in here, and we'll get a bar here at around 3 something in just a second. Okay, it's actually 299. All right, so another slightly lower buy. Okay, that's very good. So we're still short at 60.75. We're going to take some of our profits down here. At the point of control at 56.25. Matter of fact, due to an outstanding obligation outside the office, I think I'm only going to have time to let this go down to 56.25. We're going to have to take some profits there instead. And that will be the extent of our first few trades. But nice move there. Didn't expect this to come back up quite so much. But we're still short because of this bar. There's your bar. There's your target at the moment. Okay. We got to get down to right down here. So you can watch that develop on your own screens, but we have got to run. And on that basis, I'm Rod Houston and Spoon for Risk.